Hello student, welcome to this new video lecture related to lifelines of national economy. In today's video lecture, we shall discuss about land transport. Under this heading land transport, we shall discuss about roadways. In this video, we are going to discuss about how many kinds of roads are there in India and how important are these roads for the development of our country. So let's begin. Roadways. In your textbook, this is going to be page number 82. Roadways. India has one of the largest road networks in the world, aggregating, if we take a sum total, to about 54.7 lakh kilometer. The data is of 2014-15. In India, roadways have preceded railways. If you know, roadways came first, and then after in 1853 for the first time the first railway line was laid in Maharashtra. In India, roadways have preceded railways. They still have an edge over railways. Why? The cost of making roads is quite cheaper in comparison of railways. In view of the case with which they can be built and maintained, it is very easy to lay down roads in comparison of laying rails. Laying down roads is quite easier and cheaper in comparison of railways. What are the reasons why roadways has an edge over railways? The growing importance of road transport vis-a-vis rail transport is rooted in the following reasons. What are the main points? First thing, construction cost of roads is much lower than that of railway lines. As I told you, first thing, construction cost, maintaining, making cost, building roads is cheaper than laying down railway lines. Roads can traverse comparatively more dissected parts. Roads can be built even in hilly regions and undulating topography like hills, rivers. Roads can negotiate higher gradients of slopes and as such can traverse mountains such as the Himalayas. Even roads can be built in Himalayan regions as well, in hilly regions, but it is not easy for a railway line to be laid in a hilly region. Road transport is economical in transportation of few persons. If we compare for a smaller number of people and a smaller quantity of freight, then road transport will be cheaper in comparison of railway. A few persons and relatively smaller amount of goods over short distances. It also provides door-to-door service. Like you purchase anything online and the same thing you get at your home, at your doorstep. How? Due to the availability of infrastructure and road transport. A railway line cannot be laid throughout every person's house, but a road can be built to the nearby locations, nearly to all the houses. Thus, the cost of loading and unloading is much lower. Road transport is also used as a feeder to other kind of transports, air transport, water transport, railway. How? Suppose you want to go to America, then you will need to go to nearby airport or seaport. How will you go? You will use road transport, roadways for going over there. And for that purpose it is said, that is why it is said, it acts as a feeder for other kinds of transport. Railway stations, air and seaports. In India, roads are classified in the following 6 classes. There are 6 kinds of roads in India, according to their capacity. Look at the map of national highways. You will find the map in your textbook on page number 83, and find out about the significant, important role of roads played by these roads. Now the first thing we shall discuss about Golden Quadrilateral. What is Golden Quadrilateral? In India, there is a network of super highways from Delhi to Kolkata, then from Kolkata to Chennai, and from Chennai to Mumbai in Maharashtra. So ultimately, what do you notice? These cities, mega cities, are known as mega cities. These mega cities are interconnected with the help of Golden Quadrilateral. And this Golden Quadrilateral is also known as super highways. Most important, these super highways are laid or maintained by, implemented by NHAI. NHAI. What is the full form of NHAI? NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. So it can be asked in your examination, who builds and maintains Golden Super Highways, Golden Quadrilateral? Then you will answer National Highway Authority of India. The Golden Quadrilateral Super Highways, the government has launched a major road development project linking Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai, and by 6-lane super highways. So how many lanes are there in super highways? 6 lanes. The north-south corridor, along with there is north-south corridor from here. North-south corridor from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from Silchar to Gujarat, Porbandar. Linking Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. East-West corridor connecting Silchar, Assam and Porbandar, Gujarat are part of this project. So you can see here from Silchar, Assam, Porbandar, Silchar, here Jammu and Kashmir, and here Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. So these are connected. The major objective of this corridor or super highway, you can say, is to reduce the time and distance between the mega cities of India. As I told you, these are mega cities. Just to lessen the amount of time, just to reduce the amount of time of travel between these mega cities, this golden super highways, golden quadrilateral super highways is built. These highways projects are being implemented by the National Highway Authority of India, that is NHAI, as I told you. Now we shall discuss one more heading, that is National Highways. National Highways next heading that we have to discuss, National Highways, which are constructed, laid and maintained by CPWD, Central Public Works Department. National highways link extreme parts of the country. These are the primary road systems and are laid and maintained by the Central Public Works Department, as I told you, CPWD. A number of major national highways run in north, south and east, west directions. As I told you, north, south and east, west directions. There are number of roads. The historical Sirsa Suri Marg, most important, Sirsa Suri Marg is called National Super Highway or Highway NH number 1 between Delhi and Amritsar, that runs between Delhi and Amritsar. So remaining about state highways, about district roads, about local roads, or you can say other roads, along with border roads, we shall discuss in next video. Thank you very much.